Hey everyone, Dee here. So, today's video is gonna be put up tomorrow because time ran away from me, literally. I was busy studying on Mesopotamia. I got so carried away. I was enjoying it so much that more than half the day went by, and then I realized that I had other things that needed to be done. I had other priorities. So I had to finish those things and then make dinner. Dinner was over, and I just wanted to go back and study more on Mesopotamia, all about the old gods and goddesses and Tiamat, Marduk, the temples, which were the ziggurats, and the economic and social structures, the various periods, and I just got so immersed in it. That's what happens with me and history. I did my master's in history, not arts, history. And art was part of it, so was religion. But anyway, I decided that post dinner, I will sit down and I will paint something. What? I have no idea. And one of my lights also stopped working. It needed to be recharged. So I've got that going. And then I was just sitting on YouTube looking at other people's videos. People are generally talking about stuff. And in 5 videos, one after the other, yeah, instead of doom scrolling, I was YouTube scrolling. I saw owls. It seems owls are everywhere now in everyone's background. So the owl stuck with me, and I love owls. Quite a lot of my paintings are in private collections of owls, and that was during my owl phase. I just went crazy making owls. So let's do a painting of an owl with gouache. I want you to understand that with gouache, you can get the same textures that you can get with acrylic paints. It's kind of difficult to get that minute texture with oil paints that you can get with acrylics and gouache. It's easier with acrylics naturally because you have one layer of paint and then you have little lines come in. You can draw those little lines and then those can become the fur lines or the feathers. Goes for animals and for birds. So it's easier. But with gouache, you have to wait. You have to wait for a layer to dry and then you have to paint on top of it. And I'm YouTubing. And I still didn't buy a heat gun. So let's get on with it. It is what it is. I don't know how you guys took my course. I, it didn't look that bad. I got used to it. The colors, when they totally dried, since it was Ganzai, Kurakate, it looked nice in the end. But, ugh. And let me show you the paints we'll be using. I finally opened up my second HIMI. I have to see that's where my first one is. I'm shameless. I shouldn't be buying, and then I stop myself. I have to stop myself from buying more watercolors. I have to stop myself from buying more gouache. I have to stop myself from buying more acrylic paints. I just have to stop myself. And it is what it is. I mean, I'm not buying shoes. I'm not buying diamonds. I'm just buying a lot of paints. And it is embarrassing. I get embarrassed. Nobody embarrasses me. I embarrass myself. Then I take out stuff and then, and I realize I haven't used them. I just bought it, put it aside, and that was it. Let me show you. In a class, we're going to do this. These are the water soluble graphite sticks I bought in 2016. And this year is 2026. 10 years have passed since I bought these. And they are unopened. As you can see, never used. That is why this YouTube channel is so important. If I buy things, I use them. And I can tell myself that I'm doing it for my YouTube channel and perhaps people can learn something or the other from it. And if nothing else, people are entertained by it. So let's get on with it. I like Jaime's little paint collection. I did a little bit of swatching. Now, where did I do the swatching? Look at this. I killed the language. Oh, here. In my other journal, these are both my Ohuhu journals. I did a little swatching. Let me see. Where did I do the swatching? You don't need to see my ugly. No, that wasn't ugly. Okay, this one? No. Did you see it? I cannot show it on YouTube. Sorry, guys. I cannot. Where did I swatch it? Okay. This is the blue one. Ugly, ugly, ugly. But look at this one. I really like these colors. So this is the blue collection of HIMI. Is it HIMI or HIMI? I don't know. HIMI. HIMI sounds better. And this is the pink. I like the pink more. I got more colors in the pink. So let's get on with it. The colors I'll be needing are more browns. So since it's an owl, I'll be concentrating on, and I'll make it a happy owl. It's not going to be a sad owl. Yeah. The colors are going to be a little on the muted side, but I'm going to use a little bit of orange also, and yellows and yellow orange. I'm going to use, what is this? Raw sienna, browns. Maybe I'll do the branches. So let's get on with it. I'm talking too much, right? Time is money, and I don't want to lose you guys. So I'm going to just put this here for now. Put this back here. I'm going to use that tray that they've given. I have my other tray as well. I'll see if I need to use that. And let's get on with the owl. I'm going to fast forward it from this point onwards. Wow, this was a long one. I could still go on working on it, but I think it's mostly done. Wow, I forgot how much effort it takes to make feathers and fur coat. But it's a good effort. It's easier with acrylics, but I guess this will do. I can still see some problems, but that's okay. Well, those are not problems really. They just need some more work. It was an impressionist owl. I think he's done his job, Mr. Owie. I could add more white and, just like that. And that gives it more glamour, more drama comes through. Oh, my paint is drying up, like that. As you can see, it's the last ones, and then you can just give it like that, a little flare. There we go. Yeah, it needs more white. I don't like that yellow showing through. Really don't like it. I thought it was going to be sienna or, burnt umber, but it turned out to be more like ochre. That's okay. Anyway, I'm done, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. I hope you've been having a good week. I'm cool. I'm just tired now, and it's too late for coffee. It's 8:15 now. Yep, too late for coffee or tea. I'm just gonna have water. See you on Friday. Bye.